rise every dawn, grind hard for the fam survive. Stacking every cent, put the worries to the side. My voice rough like gravel, but the heart stay clean. Tryna build greatness, keep the future serene. Wifey and pitney need a king stand firm. Nothing can shake me, me done live and learn. Life through a crossfire, still me push through flame. Blessing multiply when you move with aim. No time for slacking, my mind stay strong. Long road ahead, but me march along. Me I build a empire, brick by brick. Family on my mind every day real quick. Stand tall through the storm, me nah back down. Turn every struggle to a royal crown. Love run deep like a river that swell. Rise with the fire, only time will tell. Together we strong, elevate much higher. Nothing can stop me, me build a empire. Man hustle in the heat, sweat drip on my bro. Me grind for the future, the time for act now. Never bow to no traitor, my spirit too tough. Life rough, but my heart even more rough. My woman stand strong, she a warrior queen. Hold the youth them tight, keep the home real clean. My promise greatness, my vow run deep. My guard every step like me never yet sleep. Set the pace steady, my fuel burn bright. Work through the darkest day till light. Me a build a empire, step by step. Hold on my farm, every promise me kept. On every pain to a rise up plan. Stand firm, solid like a mountain man. Strength in our bond, deeper than tide. Me carry them hopes with pride inside. No fear in my bones, only blaze and desire. Life gets sweet when you build a empire. Every trial turns small when we climb much higher. My destiny clear, protect my empire. My dream big for the farm, me no play no game. Generational wealth, me I claim that name. Teaching you discipline, teach them to strive. Tell them keep heart bold and keep dreams alive. Move and glow regal, she guide the way. Turn bad energy back every single day. Me stay locked in, focus sharp like steel. Everything me fight for real, pan real. Legacy rise up like sun from the sky. Me build till the day, my soul fly high. Me a build a empire from sweat and pain. Turn the struggle to gold again and again. Family, my shield, my strength, my choir. Everything rise when we spark that fire. Step by step, we elevate higher. My crown come soon, my spirit no tire. No force break bond, we stronger than wire. Nothing can stop me, my build a empire. Nothing can stop me, my build a empire. Nothing can stop me,